Okay, here's a little extension task we're going to try. Flat dominoes are great fun, but a couple of things you can also do to speed up time. You can look at it from above and very, very carefully, holding the Shift key, I'm going to right click on those 3 dominoes. I'm then going to duplicate them together, position, rotate them together, move them together. I can try that again. So these 3 are highlighted, Shift D, R for rotate, G for grab, R for rotate. And as long as I'm looking down, directly down, that should be absolutely fine. And one more time perhaps. Riddle me this, riddle me that. There we go. Made a little question mark. So you can move and you can duplicate more than one at a time. That will speed up things considerably for you. But the other thing we can do is we can also have some fun and make it go higher. I'm going to add another mesh. Here it goes. Add mesh cube. Move this cube. I'm just going to rotate it. Remember, I'm able to do this because I'm in top view. Now, if we look at the physics, this one is static. So nothing's going to happen to it, it won't move. I'm going to look at this down. I'm going to be very careful how I do this, and there's a lot of trial and error here. In fact, I'm going to do RZ because I want to get that rotation just right, and I'm looking at it at a weird angle, so to avoid any paradox errors, I'm going to go RZ and just line it up. Anyway, look at it from above, zoom in. Use my pan, which remember is Shift and middle button, and G for grab. Okay. Right. I'm now going to take this domino, duplicate it, put it on the edge there. It has to be on the edge for this to work. I'm going to look at it from a different angle. I'm going to press 1, and I'm going to grab it again. That's 1 on the numpad, by the way, not 1 above the QWERTY part. Just move it up with G for grab. Back to 7, duplicate this one now. Out there. And let's try a P for play to test it. There we go. So you can make things go upstairs. Once I've done it once, looking at, I think this time from there, duplicate all 3 of those. With them still highlighted, I'm looking from either 1 or 3, I think 3 this time. I'm going to grab, move them up a little bit, not too high. Look at it from above again, make sure it's all in line, that is. Okay, and once again I can test this. There we go. So you can have a bit more fun that way. One last extension you might want to try, of course, with dominoes is splitting things off in more than one direction. So in here, looking from directly above, duplicate again, rotate in the other direction, and then off we go. So you can have a bit more fun and just test that and see how that goes. And that worked. Okay, now you've got a few more little things that you can try to test yourself a bit further. Away you go.